Alright guys, this is Country Ken. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, Country Fried Channel. We're going to go ahead and hop right into it. So we're going to make a video today on setting up a trickle charger in this spot right here, which on the 2020 Polaris Sportsman 850, then I put the trickle charger on here. And as you may know, they have it down here. And this is it here. I've already taken it apart and took the rubber cover off because I'm gonna get ready to do this video and install it on the dash up there. But I just put this back down here, and but normally this is where it resides, right here. And I think that's dumb. I don't know why Polaris did that, but I'm gonna change that. So we're gonna go from there to here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this wire, which comes all the way up here, connects to the battery, and it has the fuse on it. So we're gonna pull that up. I'm gonna bring it right in through here. I'm gonna need two hands to do this, so let me get right back with you. All right, one sec. Okay, so I got it in its new housing. It's gonna go right here. I know I said I was gonna make this video sooner, but I wind up losing this, and I just waited around for a few days hoping it'll come up, and it never did, of course, so had to order another one. So anyway, ordered this off of the Amazon. I think it was like $7 or $8. Just a little power adapter, same one that I got for here. Came in a 2-pack and I lost the other one, so now here we are. So anyway, when you get this, you can just stick a screwdriver and take the backing off of it. I thought I was going to have to cut this off, but after I started looking at it closely, I realized you just stick a screwdriver in there and it pried right off, and you can take that back off, and that's all you need. You don't have to do any other modification. So I'm going to get into it and leave that there. We're going to drill a hole right here in order to get that in there, and then we're going to put the trickle charger, which I have already up here, in through here, and it fits in there perfectly, which you'll see. So I'll be back. Okay, so what I did is I used a 1-inch hole bit, drill the hole out. It looks like it's going to be a little too short, but that's okay, because that way I can just rough this out, cut it out, edge it out, and make it fit. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Obviously I'm going to need two hands for that, so I'll be back. Okay, so all I did was I just took a drill bit, just roughed it out just a little bit. When you get this, it'll come with this little back spacing here. Go ahead and take this off. Now we're gonna put that right there. Hopefully I made this perfect enough so that way I can just screw it in, because these are just ridges that screws in for this backing back here. And it looks like it's gonna work out perfect. So now what I want to do is take this before I put it in there too far. Put this washer on. Okay. And all I'm doing is just putting it on the back of it just so it stays on there for right now. And when you rough that out, it doesn't have to be perfect, because as you see, this has a lip on it right here. So it's going to cover any burrs up or anything like that. So it don't have to be exactly perfect. It's about where I want it, like that. And then I'm going to tighten up the back. That way it stays secure. And like I said, that trickle charger plug fits perfectly inside there, which you're about to see. I can and bam, look at that. And now I want to get my proper sizing, make sure it goes all the way up to the plug, because it will go all the way through. Make sure you're able to close that so it creates a seal in case you go through mud or water or rain or whatever like that. You don't want any of that stuff getting in there. I'm going to open that, and then I'm going to take it back out and just so it stays in there securely. I'm going to put a little bit of this in here by my finger, just so that when it meets it in there, creates a bond and sets in there a little bit tighter and won't move around. So 1 second. Okay, so I've got some of that in there. I'm gonna push it back in there. I don't know if y'all can see this. Put a little bit too much in there, so let me get a rag. And I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, get some of that excess off of here so it doesn't look bad. Well, already looks bad. Shit. I'll clean that up a little bit better. Okay. So, as you can see, I got that on there. And I'm gonna get my trickle charger. Here. I'm just going to unplug it for now. All right, 1 second, guys. Okay, after horsing around with that, I got my trickle charger. And again, for those of you who've been following me know that I bought this bike used, so it didn't come with a trickle charger. I bought this one off of Amazon. It's a Suhu. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's blurry or not. But it seems to do the job for, I think, what, $20, $25. Wasn't that much, really. Now you can take your trickle charger and you can plug it up just like that. And boom, you're all set. Now, make sure everything is nice and tight. Fuse is in there. And check it. Make sure it has some good turning room. Make sure it's not binding up whenever you turn the wheel. And it doesn't look like it is, because it looks like there's plenty of slack on there. And it hasn't fallen out. Let's see. Oh, still there. May have moved back a little bit, it looks like. But just gotta let that stuff sit. Let's see if it. Try to do this on one hand. I gotta turn all the way to the right. Okay. Okay, that's where it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. And when you turn it to the left, so maybe if I just turn these leads around, now I'll give it some more room. And just turn that one up. Because it looks like when I was turning it to the left, it was pulling back a little bit. I had it set about right there. All the way up. Let me see if it does it again. Yep. Yeah. So that's all I got to do. So if you do this on yours, all you're going to have to do is just loosen the screws on the terminal, turn it a little bit more, turn this one, so that way it gives it a little bit more play, gives it a little bit more slack. So that's what I'm going to do after this. But it's quick, easy, took maybe less than 5 minutes. Get your hole drill bit. I thought I was going to need 1.5 inches, but you can get away with doing 1 inch. As you can see, it's going to be a little bit shorter. All you need is to get a drill bit and just edge out the sides a little bit. That's all I did. So it really didn't even need 1.5 inches. It would have been too much, and then I would have been screwed and had a hole in there for nothing. So that's all you need. This drill bit, power adapter. You get it off of, let me turn this off or drain the battery. Again, I got it off Amazon. I pretty much live on Amazon. Damn near everything on Amazon. Just an Amazon freak. I don't know. Something's wrong with me. But that's it, guys. So if you have any questions below, hit it down below. Hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll get back at you. Thanks again, guys, for joining my channel and watching my video. Hit that like button below, and peace.